Hi friends, in last class we discussed about Boyle's law, some important graphs and some important problems. Now in this class we discuss about Charles' law, the second type in the four gas laws. So what is Charles' law? Now we will write. Volume is directly proportional to absolute temperature at constant pressure. So volume is directly proportional to absolute temperature at constant pressure. So in Boyle's law, volume is the relationship between the volume and pressure at constant temperature. But in the Charles' law, the volume is directly proportional to absolute temperature at constant pressure. The volume is proportional to temperature at constant pressure. So it is not relation between these two. It is proportional. Okay. So the volume increases, the temperature also will increase. So the temperature will decrease, the volume also will increase. But this constant pressure will not decrease or increase. It will only in the constant. Okay. Now we will write some formulas about this. So V constant to T. So V proportional to T. As we write V constant to V is proportional to kT. K means what? As we know, V is equal to volume. V is equal to volume. T is equal to temperature. And K is equal to proportionally constant. Proportionally constant. So V is proportionally constant to T. As we say that V by T is equal to K. So V and T is both is proportional. So we can say as V by T equal to K. For example, take one glass. Okay, take one glass or one beaker. So take one glass or one beaker, fill how much amount of water you will need, that much you will fill. Okay. Now take a candle. And light it. So unlight it and kept in the down of this glass. So heat up the water in the glass. After some time, you will observe the volume of the water will increase. So in this situation, this Charles' law will happen. So this is one example of this Charles' law. Okay. Now as similar as Boyle's law, Charles' law also will happen in two situations. So we can tell as Charles' law will happen in two situations. So we can take as one situation is called V1 and V2, and we will take as temperature is T1 and T2. So we will take volume as V1 and V2 and temperature as T1 and T2. Okay. So V by T equal to K. So that's why we are taking here V1 by V2 is equal to K and T1 by T2 is equal to K. So volume also proportionally constant and temperature also will proportionally constant. As similar, we can take as V1 by V2 equal to T1 by T2. So in the problems you need to apply this formula, or we can take as V1 by T1 equal to V2 by T2 by V2. So we can take as this also, this formula. We can take, no problem. So we will take this formula or this formula. Okay, this is Charles' law. So this is information about Charles' law. So in this class, so in this information, we discuss about what is Charles' law and what is some formulas about Charles' law and an example. Okay, and here these formulas we can use and we'll make problems and we'll solve problems. So in this Charles' law also there will be one graph. Okay. So in this Charles' law also there will one graph. In Euler's law there are two graphs, straight line graph and rectangular hyperbola graph. But in this Charles' law there are only one graph because V is proportionally constant to T. There is no reducing and there is no reducing or more pressure or not any more value. There is 2 is proportionally constant and there will decreasing same only and increasing also will same only. Okay. There is only one graph here, straight line graph. We can tell as only straight line graph. Now we will make graph first. As in the last class we discussed, like that only I will draw x-axis and y-axis. Okay. We will draw x-axis and y-axis, and here we want to take volume and here we want to take temperature and give one numerical values 1, 2, 3. Okay, up to 3 I am taking. If you want to take 4, that's your wish. For your 1, 2 and 3. Now assume that volume will be 1. Temperature also will be 1 only because they are two proportionally constant. There is no reducing or increasing. So we will take as similar as last class. So we will increase the volume up to 2. Like similar, the temperature also will increase to 2. So here. So we want to take here straight of these two, not any cross. Okay, we want to take straight. So I am increasing the temperature to 3. The volume also will increase. Want to take straight. So straight line will come. So this like you are the straight line will come. So this is a very easy way. So I think you understand that this. So let's learn some information carefully. Okay, this is a straight line graph. So this class is completed. Friends, in this class we discussed about Charles' law. What is Charles' law? And there are some formulas about Charles' law in one example. And this one straight line graph. Okay, this class is completed. If you like this video, press like button and don't forget to subscribe. Next video, I will tell the continuation of this class. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.